Hi folks, welcome to Genie in Detail. I'm Eugenie. Yesterday, I changed how I organized my Travelers Company sticker sets. I used this paper pocket notebook, which is from Travelers Company, to store my stickers and pencil boards. I usually put the whole sticker sets in left hand and the pencil boards in the right hand. And now it's hold the 10 years sticker sets and pencil boards. This notebook is become super chunky. However, the main reason that I want to make it change because I'm a visual person. If I store the sticker sets in one pocket, I cannot see the other sheets. I will forget it and never use it. So I want to make it change. Let me show you my other sticker storage book. This sticker storage book is from Mule Design. The Mule Design have many beautiful print on sticker. I really like the way how to store the sticker because you can see what you have. But the storage book is only in one size, which is a postcard size, 4x6, I believe. And I really want to have the TN standard size. And I find a clear pocket can do that. So this clear pocket I use is perfect fit to the sticker sheet. You can easier to put it inside. Give me one more second. And also fit the tag sticker sheets. And this small icon sheet you also fit. Let me put it here. And that sticker also fit in very well. I believe it also have no problem with the print on later. Like this, it fits pretty well, but the pocket sticker, the size is different, so I'm not be able to put it inside. I decided to put it in the paper pocket. So yeah, this is only one sticker sheet I will put in here. Not really, because I also storage the dots sticker in here. The reason is they are the same. They always have other design before. This is the old version. And yeah, this is this. Oh yeah, it's here. So I will put some sticker together, and this one will be in here. This is what I have in this moment. The first one is the whole sticker sheet. Okay. There's 2014. 2014 they have some different sticker sheet, because this is the first year the stickers that come. And this is 2015, 2016. It's also come from in 2016, 2017. The Panmei stickers, 2018, 2019, 2020. I really like this one. I want to use this in next year. 20, which year? 2020, 2021. Oh no, is it 2022, right? Yeah, this is 2022, so this is 2021. And the here. I really don't want to be a collector. I hope this sticker book can help me find the sticker easier and use it. Sorry for the cutout, and I'm coming back. Let me share the sticker storage inserts with you. In each of the sticker book, I decided to put 5 pocket sheets, so it will get 10 clear pockets. In the first insert, I decided to put the yearly theme sticker sheet. It's so cute. I think it's worked pretty well because I didn't know we have this coffee sticker before. And in my second insert, it holds my tag sticker sheets. Each year they come in different colors, and yeah, it's easier for me to find the color I want. I will make the third insert. I'm not make it because I'm running out the staple, but the third one will hold my extra diary guide and sticker. I didn't purchase the yearly planners every year. Here's 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2020. Yeah. So let me put the 2023 inside. But before I find the staple, I will just put them here. And yes, that's my sticker traveler's notebook. traveler's sticker book. And yeah, that's what I have today. So see you until next time. Bye.